Now we got about 8 tons or so of peas in a ground pile that we do need to get cleaned up. So let's go get the grain vac, because where that ground pile is at right now is where we're gonna fence off to graze some cows, and those cows are coming in next week. So we need to get that all cleaned up and out of there before the cows come in. Somebody's already making tracks in the new gravel. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. So we got a truck that just showed up to the warehouse, and he's here for a load of yellow peas. So let's head over to the warehouse and load them out. Well, we got everything moved over here last night, so this morning we're gonna get everybody out here and start putting it all back together, so we don't have any time to waste. So real quick, check out this sunrise. All right, we got to get to it. Okay, the bottom. So we got 4 of the 6 rings put on. We got 2 more sets over here that need to go on, and I'm hoping we'll be able to finish this before noon today. Because I think they're wanting to put corn in it either later this afternoon or tomorrow. So we've got to finish this today. So let's get started on it. Yeah, let me go up. Good? What, good?
Hello? Down a little bit, we'll look at it.
Go down.
Hey, you know what? I think we're onto something here. I think we're onto something.
Open this lock and
Here,
see this.
what does it look like now? We need to bend that spout. It's always been pushed out.
And remember, we've got weight on it.
Hey, what about this unit?
You want to bend the lid? I mean the spout.
That one is working.
I think we ought to leave this one.
I think you should leave that alone. And by reversing that one, I wonder if at the factory some.
So here's the bin, fully completed. It's all ready to go.
No, he's helped my nephew move up
Oh, okay.
Where is he at?
San Jose or San Francisco. I don't know. Somewhere down Central California.
Oh god, it's bumper to bumper. Nightmare.
That's why you turned the chip up on the truck.
Actually, that was true there during COVID. Everything we did kind of open up on the highway.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of missed while going downtown during COVID. There was nobody. There was these kids driving down the street. There's nobody. It was like, then when everything opened up, it was like, dang it.
Thanks again, everyone.
Yeah, we did it, huh?
Yeah, we all did.
I was looking at the timeline. We took it down in 2 days.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4. This was 5. So 7 days. We put it up in 5.
Yeah. But that wasn't full days, and that was with wind and other issues.
Yeah, we were doing peas. The crew got broke up. Okay, who won the bet? I was betting it would take 4 times as long to put it up, taking it down.
Oh, that's right.
I think
How many hours?
I think I was too high.
I said 3.5.
Yeah, I think it's more with man hours. I think you're probably right. It's about 3.
3 times longer to put up than it was to take down.
So count the bolts. Anybody want to count?
Oh
the bolts?
man, well I had to count 1 and multiply.
There's 65 in a panel.
And there's
So
9
already
panels
counted?
times 6, so 65 times 56.
Okay, quick. No, you gotta use your brain.
I can't.
65 times. Okay, I'm gonna guess. Wait. 20.
That's counting all the way around the panel too. So you're double. You got to take the top row off.
Wait, 65.
But we didn't count the roof and other ancillaries.
Okay, I'm at 2,500.
3640.
Times 2. You're on both sides of it.
That's right, the nut and a bolt. There, that's a good
7,000.
7,000. It's a lot of bolting,
Sure is a beautiful thing, though, isn't it?
isn't it
Yeah.
though?
Hi.
Hey, Dad.
Can you believe it? Right at the most technical point, the windstorm comes up and almost blows us over.
Oh,
And then we're done with it and everything stops.
just when they got it bolted down, this big gust came at 30 miles an hour.
No, we had it hanging there.
It was hanging. We're trying to set it over.
Yeah, that wasn't
Bottom
bolted
lip.
at all.
It was this much gap, and it was
hanging, and the
You
wind
guys
was.
were hairy.
Was it easier to take one down or to put one up?
Down.
Take it down.
Oh. Maybe we paid for the one on the island.
That auger?
Oh,
That was $500.
is that all right?
That thing was?
No, well, one like this, but a PTO drive, and you were driving. I sent him up to Pullman to get it, and it came unhooked or something's gonna happen.
Yeah, it did. It came off. It bounced off of the ball pitch. Bounced off of that, and the stem went down and dug into the cement and asphalt road,
Oh my goodness.
and then did a flip. So I'm driving, and I'm watching it about every other 5 seconds to see that everything's okay. And I'm looking in the rearview mirror, and it's gone. And I couldn't believe my eyes. And then all of a sudden it comes down in the rearview mirror. In the road.
You gotta be kidding.
It just missed the car.
And then it
coming by.
bounced up.
And were you able to salvage it?
Oh, yeah.
You want any pizza for dinner? There's some more pizza left.